Hey everybody, CJ here, and I've got a new video coming at you today. I'm sorry for the lack of videos lately. Summer's just been really busy for me. I thought when school got out and summer came, I'd be able to make a lot of new videos, but that just hasn't happened because summer's been just as busy as the school year's been. But I've got a new video for you today, so I hope you enjoy. So let's get into it. Some of you may have noticed in the last week or two that a Windows 10 icon has appeared in the app tray of your Windows PC. And I'm here to tell you what that does and help you reserve your copy of Windows 10 because it will be a free upgrade. And yeah, so let's get into the video.
Okay, so right off the bat, I want to apologize for the audio quality. I know it's not the greatest. It's just my webcam mic, so I know it's not going to be that good, but sometimes you just gotta live with what you have. So I apologize about that. But let's get into the topic, and that is this icon down here in your app tray for Windows 10. As I said earlier, you may have seen this appear, and I'm here to answer your questions about it and show you how to reserve your copy of Windows 10. So if you hover over it, it says Get Windows 10. If you click on it, it brings up this window, which tells you how the free upgrade works. Okay, so if you didn't know already, Windows 10 is going to be a free upgrade if you're on Windows 7, 8, or 8.1. And all you have to do to get it is reserve your copy, and it will download once it's available. Then you'll get a notification once it's downloaded, and you can install it then or choose a better time. And then after it's installed, it's all yours. Windows 10 is free, and it's the whole operating system. You don't have to pay for anything, so I think that's really awesome. In order to reserve it, there will be a button right here. I already did it, but you just click that, and then enter in your email, and that's all you need to do, and you've reserved your copy of Windows 10. So if you move on to the next slide here, it tells you a little more about Windows 10. It says it's familiar, and the start menu is back, which is awesome. That's why a lot of people didn't like Windows 8, because you couldn't use the start menu, you had to use the start screen. So the start menu is back, which is awesome, and everything should be familiar if you're coming from Windows 7 or 8, so it shouldn't be a high learning curve. Moving on to the next slide, it says Windows 10 was designed for speed and ease. So Windows 10 will be faster and more reliable, and it's also got new security features, which will be good. And it's also designed to work with the computer you already have. So they want everybody to get to Windows 10. Also, Windows 10 has the ability to make multiple desktops, so I'm super excited about that. Next slide, it says Windows 10 has amazing new features. The main one is Cortana, which you see here, which is basically Google, like Google Now or Siri, but Windows version of that. And it'll learn what you ask for most often and try to display that for you. And Windows 10 also comes with the new browser called Project Spartan, and it's also got new apps to help you be more productive. And the last slide here says apps, games, movies, music. So Windows 10 comes with the Windows Store, where you'll be able to get apps, games, movies, and music. And I'm super excited for this because I'm on Windows 7 and I don't have the Windows Store yet. So I'm excited to see what it brings and which apps I can get. So that's it for this little slideshow here. But there is another button up here in the top left. If you click on that, there is another group of links down here called Getting the Upgrade. And if you click on the first one, you can see if Windows 10 will work with your PC. And it says I'm good to go, no issues were found, so my PC is compatible. So this is where you can see if yours will be, but it probably will. If it's running Windows 7 or Windows 8, you should be fine to get Windows 10. The next page is View Confirmation. If you've reserved your upgrade, this is where it'll tell you that, and it'll tell you you reserved your upgrade. And this is also where you can cancel your reservation if you decide not to get Windows 10 right there. Okay, so the last topic here is Get Help, and if you're still confused about upgrading to Windows 10, you can talk with a Microsoft Tech person online or over the phone. And if you're still confused, you can also take a look at their Upgrade to Windows 10 Frequently Asked Questions. And one thing I forgot to mention is if you want to know more about what Windows 10 has to offer, you can click on this link up here, and it'll bring you to the Microsoft website where you can read about the new features of Windows 10.
So yeah, that's about it for the Windows 10 icon that suddenly appeared in your app tray. I hope I answered any questions you had about what it does or how to reserve your copy of Windows 10. If there was any questions that you had that I missed, I'd be happy to answer them if you left your question in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you about that. And yeah, I think that about wraps up this video. As always, if this helped you at all, please leave a like, as it really does help me out. And subscribe for more content like this on Windows 10. And I'm at 19 subscribers right now, so if we got to 20, that'd be awesome. But anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.